Morning, students. Today we take one important point, that is a multiplication of the two matrices. This is not like that simple like a difference of the matrices, addition of the matrices. In addition of the matrices, we simply add a corresponding elements. In a multiplication of the matrices, we are not simply multiplying two elements, but here the operation for the multiplication of the matrix will be a different. Here two things is important. When multiplication is possible, second, if a multiplication is possible, then what is the outcome, and the third, in a matrix, how we have to multiply the elements. Actually, the definition says, see here, definition says, see, multiplication of the two matrices. According to definition, if A is Aij M cross N matrix given and B is equal to Bij N cross P matrix given. See, the order of both the matrix is different. One is M cross N and another one is N cross P. If it is in this way given, then the product of A and B, AB, is possible as, it becomes as, matrix Cij M cross P. See, now here three things again comes. First, need M cross N and this should be N cross P. Second, the outcome becomes M cross P. And what is a Cij? Now we have to understand these 3 points step by step. Now this M cross N, in this M cross M, this M is stand for row and this N is stand for column. But when you take a B, here N cross P, this N is stand for row and P is stand for column. So it means these two has to be identical. So when the matrix product is possible, when the product of the matrix is possible, so say if total number of column of a matrix A, I repeat, total number of column of the matrix A, what is this N? Number of column of the matrix A is equal to the total number of row of the matrix B. Total number of row of the matrix B. Then only the product of A and B is possible. That AB is possible. So what we require for the product of A and B? So say column of a matrix A and column row of the matrix B has to be identical. If they are identical, then only their product is possible. And if it is possible, then what should be that product? So see, here we can say A and B given. So first I say M cross N and this should be N cross P. So your outcome AB is what? M cross P. On the basis of this, supposed to be one matrix A given 2 by 3. Another matrix B given 3 by 2. So these two are identical. So that means the outcome will be what? So these two we have to connect. So that will be what? 2 by 2. Like this. Supposed to be this is 3 by 2. And this is I'm just interchange. AB, BA. 2 by 3. Suppose this is matrix of 3 by 2 and this is a matrix of 2 by 3. Then your outcome will be what? 3 by 3. Is that clear? It is very strange. Your original matrix is what? And the outcome matrix is totally different from the origin. Like this, suppose I take 1 cross 4, means a matrix with a 1 row and 4 column. Like this, 4 row and 1 column. So it becomes 1 by 1. Similar way, just think 4 by 1 and 1 by 4. It becomes what? 4 by 4. Supposed to be given like this, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Both are identical. Is it the product will be possible? See, this is 3 and this is 2. So these two are different. So this will be a what? Not possible. Is that clear? Stop. So if a 2 cross 3 and 2 cross 3, if it is you take a 2 identical matrix, but see here this column and the row are not similar, that's why the product will be what? Not possible. So are you clear? First, when the matrix product is possible. Second, if it is possible, then what is the outcome? Will be what? If the total number of a column of a matrix A is equal to the total number of a row of a matrix B, then only the product of A and B, that is AB, is possible. Now we take one example. Now what will be the Cij? What will be this Cij? Inside what we take? So here one example I took. Matrix A is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. This is a matrix of 2 by 3. Matrix B is A, B, C, D, E, F. That is a matrix of 3 by 2. So A into B, we have to write in this way together. Now you can understand 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. So your outcome should be 2 by 2. That is what? A 4 element. 1, 2, 3, 4. That we express as a C11, C12, C21 and C22. Now this point is a very, very important. C11 means this is an element of first row, first column. C12 is an element of a first row, second column. C21, second row, first column. C22, second row, second column. Now we use this logic for finding the component or element of this place. Now how you get the C11? अब जरा ध्यान से देखना, C11, everyone know that this is the element of first row, first column. मतलब first row A का consider करेंगे, first column B का consider करेंगे. Understand? C12 मतलब first row A का consider करना है और 2 means B का consider करना है. अब see again C11. How you obtain the element C11? So say here we multiply the element of first row of a matrix A. What is the element of the first row of a matrix A? So say 2, 3, 4. We multiply first row of a matrix A to the corresponding element of the first column of the matrix B. What is the first column of the matrix B? So say ABC. I just write in that form only. Is that clear? Now we have to multiply them and then you add them. Means A, this 2 we have to multiply with A. Even you can express here 2, 3, 4. So the product and sum will be what? 2A plus 3B plus 4C. Is that clear? So this is a element C11. I repeat again. I repeat again. We multiply the elements of the first row of a matrix A to the corresponding element of the first column of the matrix B. Then add them. Now what is the first row of the matrix A? That is 2, 3, 4. First column of the matrix B, A, B, C. You have to think in your mind. Even you can express like this 2, 3, 4. This is A, B, C. These corresponding elements we have to multiply and then add them. Is that clear? Now like this, now this logic you think in your mind 2-3 times. You identify the elements which are in the first row, which are in the first column. Similar way, if I take C12, so what is the statement here? Now please you write in the notebook. The same thing. Here we multiply element of first row. First row means what? 2, 3, 4. First row of a matrix A to the corresponding element of not a first column but this time what? Second column. Second column of the matrix B. Now what is the second column this time? So it's D, E, F. So now if you multiply, so 2 with the D means 2D plus 3E plus 4F. So this is become what? C12. So again I repeat, we multiply element of this first row of the matrix A to the second column of the matrix B and add them. Even you express as like this 2, 3, 4. Here you write in your mind and this product and then there add. Stop. See how you get it. C12 you understood, 2D plus 3E plus 4F. Now we have to find out C21. See in the matrix AB, we get it C11, C12, C21. Now C21 means what? The same statement we have to see. Here we multiply the element of, in place of a first row, what we have to write? In place of a first row, what we have to write? Second row of a matrix A. This we have to multiply to the corresponding first column of the matrix B. So here second row of the matrix A means what? See this. Second row of the matrix A means 5, 7, 9. And the first column of the matrix B means ABC. So 5, 7, 9 and this side what? ABC. Now this we have to multiply and we have to add them. Means what? 5A plus 7B plus 9C. I hope you clear again. Now we want C22. Now we want C22. So it means here we have to multiply the element of the second row of a matrix A to the corresponding element of the second column of a matrix B, and then we have to add. Now what is the second row here? 5, 7, 9. And what is the second column? D, E, F. Now we have to add them. So 5D plus 7E plus 9F. Look, this is a very difficult process. Just see again what we have did. This 4 element of the first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. Now try to see, observe again. First row, see this is the first row first column means first row first column. This is the first row second column means first row second column. This is second row first column means second row first column. And this is second row second column means second row second column. Is that clear? So finally your AB becomes what? Please see. Your finally this AB becomes C11. Means what is a C11? So say 2A plus 3B plus 4C. C12 is a 2D plus 3E plus 4F. Then C21 is a 5A plus 7B plus 9C. And last one C22 is a 5D plus 7E plus 9F. So like this we get it what? 2 by 2 matrix. Product of A and B as a 2 by 2 matrix. See, please please try to understand slowly. It's a very difficult process, but once comes in your mind, it will be a very simple. Now I'm going to the taking the same example, A and B, but this time I'm going to find BA. Means B will be 3 by 2 and A will be 2 by 3. So just think your outcome should be what? So say these 2 and 2 overlap, so it will be what? 3 by 3. So your outcome will be 3 by 3. How many elements are there? 9. This place, this place, this place. Just think, this is the first row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Similarly, second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. See, first row means this AD. We have to multiply with this. So it will be what? 2A plus 5D. Up A and D only we have to multiply to second column is 3A plus 7D. Like this AD we have to multiply to 4, 9. So it is what? 4A plus 9D. I hope you clear about this. Similar way, second row element B. The same way you just go on. So it will be what? 2B plus 5E. Then 3B plus 7E. And third element 4B plus 9E. Is that clear? Now this is third row, first column. So C and F you have to just move like that. So it is what? 2C plus 5F. Then 3C plus 7F. And 4C plus 9F. Is that clear? So see here, when you take AB is what? 2 by 2. But when you take BA, it will be what? 3 by 3. So from this you can say that AB is never equal to BA. Is that clear? AB is never equal to BA because it means here we can say commutative does not hold. Stop. Now from this example you are clear about this, that AB is not equal to BA. Now please try to do this sums as a homework. First of all, see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 I give. Find AB and BA from this. You can take a picture of this, photo of this and solve. If you do the more practice, you will become a fast. I just take a first example. Is that a thing? Over? See, I take this first one. Again we take first one. See, A, B. AB in that A is a 7, 8, 4, 5. B is 3 minus 1, 2, 5. See, the outcome will be 2 by 2 means the first row we have to multiply with the first column. So 7 3s are 21 plus 8 2s are 16. First row, second column, minus 7 plus 8 5s are 40. Similarly, this place is second row, first column. So 4 we multiply with this 3. So 4 3s are 12 plus 5 2s are 10 minus 4 plus 25. So make it slow operation. 6 and 1 7, 37, 22, 40 minus 7 is 33 and this will be at 21. Are you clear about this? Like this you go on the rest of the sum. Please try to practice. Is that clear? This process is difficult. Go slow. It doesn't matter how much time you are taking, but just once you understand the problem, it will be easy for you. Now see some properties of the multiplication. You understood that AB is never equal to BA, but in some circumstances it may be possible, but which that you read the textbook, page number 76, they're given one example in which you have identical one. Second thing is, if a 3 matrix given, we can say that AB into C is equal to A into BC. Property is called what? Associative property. It holds. Now, when this is possible, you can't take A, B, C directly. A is Aij, M cross N. B is Bij. See, we can't take M cross N, but it is N cross P. And C is equal to Cij, P cross K matrix given. Okay, now just think, in a left hand side we want AB into C. So first of all, AB when you make, it will be what? So say Aij into Bij, jo bhi aaya, but the outcome is what? M cross N to N cross P is what? M cross P. Now when you multiply AB to C, so that AB into C will be what? So this is M cross P, this is P cross K, sorry. So the whatever outcome matrix is what? M cross K. Like that, you just understand A into BC is also a same matrix, and the order will be what? M cross K. This is a very, very important point. Just which type of order we have to keep when like this product given. One multiple choice question is there. Please keep in mind. Then you can see a distributive property A into B plus C. You can say that AB plus AC. Similar way, supposed to be given A plus B into C, you can say that AC plus BC. Understand? Now 3.2 you have to solve. It's very simple. See, they're given like this कि भाई verify the distributive property. समझो कि आपको ये verify करना है, तो आप क्या करोगे पहले? So you have to first of all find out B plus C for the left hand side. Then that B plus C you have to multiply with the A. So A into B plus C, जो भी आया, that is your number 1. For right hand side, you have to first find out AB. You have to find out the right hand side AC. After finding AB and AC, you have to just add them, AB plus AC. आपको जो भी मिला, that you can say 2. So from 1 and 2, we can say that A into B plus C is equal to what? AB plus AC. See, try to understand. See, first just repeat again this logic in your mind, then only the product of the two matrices is clear in your mind. आप प्लीज वो जो 6-7 सम दिए हैं प्लीज ध्यान से करो. सी, जितने आप ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना आप फास्ट हो जाओगे. अदरवाइज हर एक चीज़ देखनी पड़ेगी, आपको सोचनी पड़ेगी. सो वंस यू क्लियर इन योर माइंड देन इट विल बी वेरी सिंपल. एक बार समझने की कोशिश करो. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट you try to do 3.2 completely. I will see the doubts next time. Thank you.